Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Canon PG black ink cartridge. The best thing about this ink cartridge, in my opinion, is its extended duration of smooth and reliable printing. The longevity of this cartridge is particularly noteworthy because it minimizes the frequency of replacements. I use it in my home office, and I think that the ink quality is impressive. It delivers sharp and clear text, which makes it ideal for printing documents. And I appreciate that the installation is straightforward and hassle-free. It only takes seconds to install in my Canon Pixma printer. And I think that this Canon black ink cartridge is a reliable choice for anyone seeking high ink capacity, ease of use and installation, and consistent print quality. But that's just my point of view.